especially when it is to welcome a new operator and to start a new relationship. We are deeply appreciative that the Uganda government chose our aircraft for the revival of its national flag carrier. Just last year, I signed the purchase agreement at the Farnborough Air Show with CEO Ephraim Baganda, and today we are here for the first delivery of their first aircraft. What a journey it has been, and now a new one begins. We designed the CRJ900 for excellent cost efficiency and network flexibility, and are confident that the CRJ900 will contribute to Uganda Airlines' growth and success. Since its launch, the CRJ series family of regional jets has led to the development of regional markets around the world. The CRJ has revolutionized aviation with proven efficiency, reliability, and profitability. Our latest enhancement is the new atmosphere cabin, which sets new standards for passenger comfort and experience in the regional jet market. The new cabin demonstrates how Bombardier continues to move the benchmark in regional aviation and why customers like Uganda Airlines are coming along for the ride. In fact, this CRJ900 will go on a demo tour in Africa to showcase Uganda Airlines and the atmosphere cabin to various regions on the continent. So on behalf of the Bombardier CRJ team, we wish to congratulate Uganda Airlines. We are proud to deliver this first CRJ900 aircraft fitted with the atmosphere cabin. Your success is Africa's success, and we are honored to celebrate this with you. Thank you for trusting us, and let us make this the start of a great partnership. Thank you very much. Natalie.
Thanks, Fred. And now I would like to invite Honorable Engineer Monica Subatantege to say a few words. Thank you.
Thank you. The High Commissioner of Uganda to Canada, Her Excellency Madame Joy Achieng, the President of Bombardier, and your team, and the Ugandan team that traveled with me. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring you greetings from the people and the government of Uganda, led by His Excellency President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. For those of you who may not be aware, Uganda is also called the Pearl of Africa because of its very amazing beauty. It has great potential for tourism and export of high-value agricultural products. Uganda is landlocked or land-linked, and reliable air services are therefore critical for exploitation of its natural endowment. 20 years ago, Uganda's national carrier, Uganda Airlines, wound up its operations. The thinking then was that foreign airlines would fill the gap and provide the critical air services. However, the government has realized that foreign airlines are not fully dependable and has therefore cautiously but decided to revive the national airline. In re-establishing Uganda Airlines, it was necessary to avoid repeating past mistakes by careful evaluation of several elements, such as the aircraft mix, fleet mix, to be operated by the airline. So, the choice of Bombardier CRJ900 for the regional network was a result of rigorous analysis of many competing alternatives that could serve our needs. We are here today because Bombardier turned out to be the best option for the country. We therefore applaud you, Bombardier, for manufacturing this outstanding aircraft. On behalf of the government, my ministry, and the people of Uganda, I am honored to lead the team to accept and take delivery of these aircraft. Indeed, this is a very historical occasion, and I believe it is not the end, but rather the beginning of a collaborative and enduring relationship that will be beneficial to us mutually. A relationship that enhances our socio-economic aspirations and strategic objective to develop sustainable aviation industry that contributes to the economical development of Uganda. At technical level, we expect Bombardier to support the airline to ensure good performance and continuing airworthiness of these aircraft. Uganda enjoys good and stable governance, sustained high growth rate of GDP, and full economic liberalization. Uganda is an attractive destination for foreign and indigenous investors. So these factors, coupled with the growing numbers of air passengers, are a firm foundation for the growth and expansion of Uganda Airlines. And I am sure sooner or later we'll be back for more CRJ900s. To Bombardier, the operation of CRJ900 is a new experience for Uganda Airlines. It will need your continuous support to enhance competitiveness of the CRJ900 in Africa. Therefore, you should consider developing a maintenance and training facility in the region. I can confirm that Uganda will be very happy to partner with you in developing such a facility for the use of Uganda Airlines and other airlines in the region. We are ready to discuss and conclude with you the modalities of the establishment of such a facility in none other than Uganda. In conclusion, I would like to profoundly thank Bombardier for fulfilling its obligations and for organizing this very colorful and historic event. I thank all of you for coming to celebrate and be part of this historical event. And above all, I thank God for bringing us this far. Thank you.
Thank you for your kind words and heartfelt endorsement. Now I will ask Fred Cromer and Honorable Monica Ntege to come back for the signing ceremony. And I would also like to have, give me a second. I'd like to have Joy Ruth Acheng as well, Permanent Secretary, Mr. Bagea Waiswa, and Ephraim Bagenda to come behind our Honorable Engineer, Monica Ntebe, behind her. Thank you. And on the Bombardier side, I'd like to invite Ibrahim Al-Farhan, Charles Comtois, and Claudia to be sitting behind Fred. Thank you. I would like to now invite you, Mr. Waiswa, and we will also present a gift to you.
It's not quite as big as this one, but it looks similar.
A beautiful aircraft with the Ugandan colors. And last but not least, I would like to invite Ephraim Bagenda on the stage.
Right over here, sir. Over here? Yes. So we have to get you front and center.
Also offering your CRJ900 with the Uganda colors. I believe there was a gift that you wanted to present to Fred Cromer. It's after? Okay, that's perfect. No problem. So then we'll proceed to the ribbon cutting. So I would like to invite all of you dignitaries to stand in front of the aircraft as we proceed with the minister and Fred for the ribbon cutting portion. What an excitement moment. So if there are members of the Bombardier team who would like to gather around so we can take a group picture after everybody is done here. We're done? Okay, great. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you all once again for joining me and my guest as we went through the ceremony. There are a few house pieces information that we need to do before they start the CRJ facility tour. But for now, if they want to take some pictures inside of the aircraft, they are welcome to go on board. Thank you for all of you who came here to participate to this. Thank you so much for your presence. You are welcome to leave if you wish to. Thank you so much.